In this lecture, we are going to review some options for your mouse pointer. To work on your mouse pointer options, go to the menu at the top and click on the screen recording icon, which is the fourth from the left. It looks like a computer monitor. And I'm going to add a couple different actions. The first action I'm going to add is for the click effect to be radar. And then I'm going to add an action for a click effect to be invert, which is to invert the color from black to white. And then finally, I'm going to add an action to increase the size of the mouse pointer. All right, now let's take a look at what this looks like. I'm going to move my playhead to the beginning of the clip and click play. And that is how to change the appearance of your mouse pointer using mouse pointer option actions.